Okay.
I don't do white people.
Okay. All right.
I don't like white people.
Well, guess what? He's going to be inside.
I'm not leave when they talk. No, I have the permission to say he can't come here.
Well, he's going to come inside, okay?
I don't like
all right.
people.
Well, okay, and imagine if he said that about you.
Well, discriminating isn't against the law. She's allowed to hate white people.
Okay, so I mean...
That's what I said, which is the same thing. Racist is discrimination.
The following video is a porch war. A porch war is when two houses in the same neighborhood are occupied from the bottom floor all the way to the top, full of people who refuse to get along with their neighbors. Next time you need a police officer and there's none around, I want you to think about this video and be aware that there's probably about a dozen police officers standing around in front of two houses simply trying to get people to go inside and leave their neighbors alone.
Officer, 80 rifle, 81, 82, and 83.
You hear gunshots?
Put shotguns on 81 and 84.
Okay, copy.
What's up?
She's out here trying to shoot my house up because I got kids in the car.
Did she shoot a shot?
Yep. Look at him. This all started because somebody parked in front of their house. It's
All right.
to do with us.
All right.
She started screaming down here at us.
Okay.
Another one is trying to shoot my house up.
Okay. 194.
194.
Got a neighbor dispute at 81 Richardson and 73 Richardson.
Okay, can I get another car?
Hey! 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 Fucking cut it out! You go over there, you go over there! Stop screaming! Okay! Relax! Relax! 1 second, okay. 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, okay. I'm gonna ask your part of the story.
I'm sick of
Go in the house, dude! Get in the fucking house! Hey, come on, stop! Get in the fucking house now! Get up there! Go! Go!
You want to come out here and talk that tough shit when the police here?
Okay, ma'am, get him on the porch now. Get him on the porch. Just get on the porch. We will talk to you guys. Okay, okay. Give us a second. Is there guns in here?
No, hell no.
Okay. All right.
She's yelling at us for no fucking reason.
Okay. Let me figure it out. Hey, you see one dude? You see me? Okay, I'm trying to figure it out for you. I get it. I'm gonna go talk to them.
It's the young girl that starts
okay,
shit.
I got you.
My house. I try to come down, come out like my.
All right.
I can't do
so
it, man.
They shot.
They threatened to shoot.
Did they
two
shoot?
Shots. There was two shots. We don't know.
Who?
If
They
did people. We don't
from
know.
someone else?
Yeah, from over that way.
All right. All right. Please get them in for right now. Get them in right now. All right. Just relax. It's not even.
You are struggling crack baby.
Relax. Hey, relax. Just get in the house. Just get in. It's not worth it. Go. Get inside. Get inside. Please get inside. Did you guys shoot a shot?
No, it's somebody.
No, it's someone over there. Okay. Why are you still screaming? I just asked a simple question.
Because you can't hear them shooting on the next street while y'all arguing. It was motherfuckers letting off
They're
a whole
fucking
lot of
arguing
shots over here.
they threatened to shoot them up. And then our shot sputters in the rear of the alley over
Yeah,
here.
where they came from. I had to come downstairs because my daughter arguing with these damn
All right.
people.
Yeah, well, that's not
I'm
fucking
sick
what.
of them.
All right.
I'm sick of
Okay, relax. Why are we still continuing? Let's just go inside.
They need to find something
Okay,
to do.
let's just go inside. Okay. All
I don't
right.
do white people.
Okay. All right.
I don't like white people.
Well, guess what? He's going to be inside.
I'm not leave when they talk.
Okay.
No, I have the permission to say he can't come here.
Well, he's going to come inside, okay?
I don't like
All
white
right.
people.
Well, okay, and imagine if he said that about you. So what's going on? What happened?
I just pulled up and I was asking whoever's car in front of my house,
I pay rent here. Can you move your car?
Okay.
Here go the neighbors talking about this bitch thinks she queen bee of the street.
Like if it's not your car,
why you
are you
want somebody to move? This is public property. Bitch, this ain't public property. When I pay $1,200 rent here, you can politely move whoever's car that is from in front of my house. Is all I'm asking.
Y'all
Not your car.
All right, one at a time.
Keep yours drugs.
This street is public parking.
It's not for drug traffic, and it's not in front of my house.
Period. No drug traffic here. I don't sell drugs. That's down the
No
street.
drug traffic?
This is drug traffic in front of my house. I watch them every day. It's not drugs at my house.
Why are we screaming?
In front of my house to serve their drugs. I don't want it. They're using this house as a bando all day, every day.
Okay, well,
I
listen.
don't want it right here.
Listen.
And
we can't stop them from parking on the street, though, okay?
If someone was parking in front of my house selling drugs, I'd be upset with that too, okay? But you can call us.
If I only go to the store and come back, like y'all gonna say, it's not your problem.
But
it's a problem for me if I can't park in the back of my house. And I can't park in the front of my house.
But someone selling drugs.
And I gotta work all the way down by Broad Street to come back.
Okay, wait, just stop. You stop screaming. Just listen to him for 1 second.
Somebody selling drugs is our problem.
Just listen to him.
So we can get involved in that and we can help. It might be a longer process because there's this thing called the Fourth Amendment where we have to do things a specific way in order to make sure that we can prove what's going on and shut the activity down. All right?
He's gonna bring multiple
Now,
times saying how they
unfortunately-
sell drugs and they sell drugs and they sell drugs.
Unfortunately, one thing we can't do is stop them from parking in front of your house. However, you can call us and we can forward it to the narcotics tip line. They'll have, undercover officers work it.
Well, the 311 thing they told us last time, we get into it with these people all the time. They was using this house. They keep moving it.
I know.
Niggas threatening to shoot my house up. All that, like, what? I'm not about to keep playing with these white people or none of that.
I got you.
And I don't do none of
He
that.
does not stop putting race into it. It's not. Okay, I got
It's about
you.
they keep calling me niggers.
2 years.
Okay.
I don't do white people.
I got you.
I'm disrespectful.
Okay.
For me, and I only got her and a 5-year-old little girl.
I don't do white people.
That the baby can't even go outside. I got all this house and my baby can't go outside and I can't park in front of my house.
I understand that.
Okay.
Okay. They want to force me out of here. That's what
He just said he was about to run me off the block. That's a
The
threat.
best thing,
It's fine.
the best thing that
At my
you can,
house, like, come on now.
Then I end up with all these felonious assault charges. My son gonna have charge. It's just, it all boils back to me because I can't, with the disrespectfulness and all the messiness, I can't and I will not tolerate it.
and I understand that.
I'm sorry.
But there's a right way to do
My
things and a
daughter
right
got to be
and a wrong way
protected at all costs.
There's
Yes,
a
when
right
he
way.
just threw a brick at me and he's white, my life don't matter.
That big asshole right there, just last week.
He just threw a brick at me last week in the
That big old man
My
threw a
life
brick at
matters.
her.
He's white and I'm
She's
black. That
19 years
matters.
old. That big
Because if
ass
I was
man
black
threw a
and threw
brick.
that brick
Stop
at me, I would've
screaming.
been dead.
Miss, I'm here trying to help you, okay? So you can keep being disrespectful and
If I
try to
would've
put
threw
words
that
and thoughts
brick-
into my mouth.
That's what I
I'm
ain't
here
putting
trying
in
to
your
help,
mouth. I'm just
okay?
saying, if my black ass would have threw that brick at his white ass, my
Cause we
black
just went
ass
to
would
the
be in
store the
jail.
other day and she got two.
Yes, the fuck
Yeah, she just got two.
I just went to the store, caught 2 charges. I
Going
just
to the
smelled it.
store.
Exactly. I'm out on bond right now. I'm not
Is there
doing
anything
these
I
folks.
could do to help you guys?
Nothing.
Okay. My recommendation is to try to handle it through the law. If you don't want to do that, you probably.
We tried.
Okay.
Get out.
All right, listen.
Sorry all that.
Don't be doing that. That's not going to help either.
I'm not racist.
You're not racist. You're yelling the N-word. How is that not racist?
Homie right here.
Hey, D, you shut up.
What's that?
I'm black.
I get that, but don't be yelling that. That's.
I'm allowed to say it. I'm black.
It wasn't you that yelled it.
Get out.
Yeah, you didn't say it.
Go. Come on. Go.
It probably was, but
Why did he diss me?
because someone was shooting right before they got here, and then when we get here, there's people fighting. So we're gonna come to make sure we're safe.
2 gunshots, we heard him standing here.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, Mom comes out running her house.
So this is gonna continue because neither of them want to be cooperative.
It's gonna be all night.
Yep.
Just pick right back up.
It's always there. I mean, they've been here probably 30 times over there.
So
right
what
there.
can my mom do when she got my mom's face when the one cop pulled up here?
So, unfortunately, getting in someone's face isn't against the law in and of itself.
It's a public street.
But when they threaten our house to shoot it, there's nothing I can do.
Well,
something's done until my house.
Okay, but you didn't ask what we can do about someone threatening to shoot your house. You just asked me what you could do about someone getting in your mom's
What can I
face.
do about her threatening to shoot my house?
What do you say exactly?
That they're gonna air my house out. Same people that she had come here last time.
Air your house out, I mean shoot it up.
Yep.
So, yeah, I mean, do you believe that she's going to do that?
As soon as y'all leave, they're gonna pull up.
But part of the problem, okay, so part of the problem, and I can do an aggravated menacing report, and you guys can go try to file charges, okay? But part of the issue that you're going to have to prove to a judge to get them to convict them of aggravated menacing is belief that someone will cause imminent serious physical harm, okay? When everyone's out here yelling the N-word at them and firing the situation up, that they're gonna
white trash.
And I understand that, but here's the thing: if someone called me white trash, threatened to shoot me and call me white trash, I'm gonna leave the situation, call the police, okay? Because if I believe them.
That's the thing.
But so, and the courts are going to look at that as, okay, if someone threatens you and you keep going back and forth, you don't believe the threat. That's what they're going to look at, okay?
And then here's what's going to happen is when we take all this to court, let's say they subpoena our body cams, you know what they're going to see? You think he's afraid of them? What did he just yell? You think he's afraid? Then the courts are, listen, the courts are going to say, we don't believe it.
But we can take the report. I'm just trying to explain to you. Ma'am, I just said we would take the report for you and explain the process.
Exactly.
Yeah, you have to go to court. That is correct.
I'm not going to go to court when they're just going to constantly keep threatening my house. I don't got proof.
But if you don't go to court,
then
nothing happens. I didn't say you need proof.
We don't need court. But it's okay for them to keep constantly threatening my house, though. Beating that bitch up.
Okay, and then she's sitting there threatening them, so...
And if nobody wants to go to court and be a victim, just like you said...
She's down there... No, she was threatening him before y'all even...
I understand that, but if she's going to threaten them back to us, that takes away the belief of the threat. That's what I'm explaining to you.
But you're not really...
If you want to go through the court process, we can do that, but then you can't try to handle it on the street and through the courts. It doesn't work that way.
Of course, they ain't going to do nothing about it neither.
They will if you go to the court.
And then they gotta believe whose story. That's the thing.
That's why you go to court and you explain your side of the story. You think they're going to show up to court and explain their side of the story?
Probably. Sit there and scream
like
they're doing now.
Come on.
Like when they just told y'all they don't want y'all in the house because they don't like white people. But that's not discriminating. That's your proof, right?
Well, discriminating isn't against the law. She's allowed to hate white people.
Being racist.
Okay, so I mean...
That's what I said, which is the same thing. Racist is discrimination.
All this Black Lives Matter, all that shit, all that racist shit.
We're not really here to debate that, but...
It's like I'm done dealing with it. I'm not going to sit here and leave my house because people will sit here and constantly keep threatening.
Then you could go through the courts and get a protection order.
And then do what? They live right there. What is that going to do?
Every time they say something to you, they get a warrant. Unfortunately, not everything can be handled overnight when the police show up. It doesn't always work that way.
Bro, I should have just went in the alley. I should have just went in the alley where the shots fired was.
They're going to be at this. They've been, this ain't the first time.
They've argued?
Yeah.
Like, I just pulled up and they were just in each other's face.
Always involving a gun.
Every time.
They always say that they have a gun, vice versa. They say it every single time. And they say it's over racism. Like, you guys are both racist, clearly.
No, yeah.
So...
Because this is...
So what's going to make it worse is the yelling back and forth. If everyone goes inside.
Well, I'm going to tell you what. After being called honky, white crackers, trash, and something saying about your 5-year-old granddaughter, you can only take so much.
And I understand that because she was giving me the same thing. But you have to... Everyone here is an adult. Okay?
Exactly.
This isn't how adults deal with things.